And first we're going to be adding 1 drop. We have our 4 cations, barium, magnesium, cadmium, and aluminum. And first we're going to be adding 1 drop of 1 molar sodium sulfate. So first we're looking for the formation of a precipitate. We can see barium. The precipitate has clearly formed, whereas our other 3 samples, no reaction occurred, so we do not need to keep working with those samples. So to the sample that a precipitate formed in, we're now going to add a milliliter of solution and look for the formation of a complex ion. Our precipitate is not redissolving, so next we are going to acidify the solution. So we're going to acidify the solution using 6 molar nitric acid and blue litmus paper. I'm going to add a few drops to our solution. Stir with my stir rod. I'm going to take the stir rod and tap it on the litmus paper. And since the litmus paper is turned pink, I know that the solution is acidified, and I have not formed a complex ion upon the addition of acid. So we are done with our sodium sulfate step. We're going to repeat the same series of steps, this time using 0.5 molar potassium phosphate. So I'm going to add 1 drop to each test tube. I'm going to look for the formation of a precipitate. And we can see both barium and magnesium have formed precipitates, as well as cadmium and aluminum. So now I'm going to add 1 milliliter of our 0.5 molar potassium phosphate solution to each test tube. Neither the cadmium or the aluminum dissolved, and the barium and magnesium did not dissolve. So moving on, we're now going to acidify each test tube. So I'm going to first add just a few drops to our barium test tube. Stir our solution. And we can see that the solution has gone clear upon acidification. And when I tap the solution on the litmus paper, it turns pink. Added acid to our magnesium test tube. The solution goes clear as well upon on acidification. Our cadmium solution has not redissolved, although the solution is acidic. And our aluminum solution, the precipitate's still there. Upon the addition of acid, it looks like more precipitate is actually forming. Our solution's not quite acidic. I'm gonna add some more nitric acid. Our solution is now definitely acidic. You can see there's a lingering precipitate.